Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since my last video. Here I got is E-Class, Mercedes E-Class E200 Auto Petrol. Yeah, it's 2018 car. Yeah, okay. Here is the battery. It's CR2032 battery, 3-volt battery. Yeah. This is the latest model of the Mercedes. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the battery. Okay, the battery here. So basically, you see there's a little button at the back of the key. Okay, and you just press it halfway down, and then you slide the cover open. You see, it's open. Yeah, halfway down. Yeah, and then on the side here, you just pull it open. There's a battery under there. You pull it open. You see, you just pull it open, and then there's a battery. So basically, take it out and put the new battery on. Okay, make sure it's facing down. Yeah, facing down. Push it back in. Push it back in like that. Okay, it's very straightforward. Push it back in, and then put the cover back on. You put it down, and then you just push it in like that. It will go in. And if you press all the way down, you can release the emergency key here. This is the emergency key. Yeah, okay. Put it back in like this. Okay. If you press it all the way down, is to release the emergency key, or if you press it halfway down, is to release the cover here. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, please keep watching my video. You know, I'm going to do a review on this E-Class Auto Petrol 2018 as well. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much.